Now we can use absolute value to work addition and subtraction of numbers with same signs, different signs, or both negative, and I'll show you how that's done. So let's say we have negative 3 plus negative 4. Now since we're adding two negative numbers, we know the answer will be negative, so we at least have the sign correct. We know the answer is negative. Next, we can take the absolute value of both numbers. So the absolute value of negative 3, and that's 3. The absolute value of negative 4 is 4. And what we do is then we add the absolute values of these numbers. So, 3 plus 4, that's easy. That's 7. So the number will be 7, but the sign will be negative. So the answer is negative 7. Let me do a couple more examples. Let's do negative 5 plus negative 8. Again, we know the answer is going to be negative because we're adding two negative numbers. So we know the negative sign's there. And then we take the absolute value of negative 5, and we're like, okay, that's easy. That's 5. We take the absolute value of negative 8, and we're like, okay, cool, that's 8. We add these numbers, 5 plus 8, and that's 13. So the answer would be negative 13. The sign is negative, and the number's 13. So actually, the real number is negative 13 for that. Let's do one last example. Let's do negative 10 plus negative 11. Again, since we're adding two negative numbers, we know the sign will be negative of the answer. And then we're going to take the absolute value of negative 10, and that's 10. The absolute value of negative 11 is 11. We add these two numbers, 10 plus 11, and that's 21. So the answer will be negative 21.